Today I'm going to show you how to use your two-pronged Osso corkscrew. I don't know why it's called an Osso. I always thought it should be called like a cork fork, right? Okay, whatever. But a couple of drawbacks to it in that the first one is it doesn't have a foil cutter. So you got to cut your foil another way. Another one of the drawbacks is if you're not careful when you're using one of these, that's what happens. It can push the cork right into the bottle, so you got to be very careful. You got to use it very delicately. Let's see if we can do this more successfully this time. So what you do is you put it in on the one side, the longer side goes in first, and then you rock it back and forth, little by little, until you can grip the cork, and then you sort of twist it up. And boom. These are really good for older bottles when you have a cork that might be old and maybe start to crumble, and so like a corkscrew might break it. So that's when you're going to pull out your Osso and successfully open those bottles.